Welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to space. In this video we will take a journey to the Red Planet, the hopes and challenges of Mars exploration. Mars, often referred to as the Red Planet, has captivated the human imagination for centuries. It is the fourth planet from the Sun and the closest neighbor to Earth in our solar system. In recent decades, Mars exploration has evolved from science fiction dreams to a tangible reality. This journey to the Red Planet is driven by a combination of scientific curiosity, technological innovation, and the hope of answering fundamental questions about the possibility of life beyond Earth. However, it is also fraught with numerous challenges that must be overcome to achieve success. The hopes of Mars exploration are as vast and intriguing as the Red Planet itself, driving scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts to embark on this incredible journey. The first and perhaps most tantalizing hope of Mars exploration is the search for extraterrestrial life. Mars, in its distant past, was a watery world with lakes, rivers, and possibly even oceans. Water, a fundamental ingredient for life as we know it, is a key piece of the puzzle. While the surface of Mars is now cold, dry, and barren, there is ample evidence to suggest that liquid water once flowed on the Martian surface. This raises the compelling question: did life, in some form, emerge on Mars when conditions were more hospitable? Robotic missions like the Mars rovers, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have been meticulously exploring the Martian surface, looking for clues. While direct evidence of life has not yet been found, the search continues with renewed vigor. The discovery of even microbial life or fossilized remains on Mars would revolutionize our understanding of biology and the potential for life beyond Earth. It would provide a profound answer to the age-old question of whether life is a cosmic rarity or a universal phenomenon. Another hope that shines brightly in the realm of Mars exploration is the dream of human colonization. Mars represents a potential future home for humanity, a concept that is both inspiring and practical. The idea of establishing a human presence on another planet is not just a scientific endeavor but a potential survival strategy for our species. Earth faces various existential risks, from natural catastrophes to human-made threats, and Mars could serve as a backup plan. The prospect of humans living on Mars is not confined to science fiction. Ambitious plans and discussions are already in motion to send astronauts to Mars in the coming decades. The challenges are immense, from developing the technology to sustain human life on Mars to addressing the psychological and physiological impacts of prolonged space travel. Nonetheless, the hope of establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars continues to drive scientific research and engineering innovations. Beyond the search for life and the potential for colonization, Mars exploration promises a treasure trove of scientific insights. The Red Planet's geology, climate, and history provide a unique window into the evolution of terrestrial planets, including our own. Studying Mars can offer critical clues about Earth's geological past, the development of its atmosphere, and even the history of water on our planet. Moreover, the study of Mars is crucial for gaining a better understanding of climate change. Comparing Mars' ancient climate changes to those on Earth can help refine climate models and guide efforts to mitigate global warming. Additionally, Mars holds the key to developing technologies for resource utilization, such as extracting water from the Martian soil and generating oxygen from the carbon dioxide-rich Martian atmosphere, which could prove vital for future space exploration and human survival on Mars. Before continuing with the video, I remind you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, so you don't miss our videos on space. The challenges of Mars exploration are formidable and require innovative solutions to overcome. These challenges serve as a stark reminder of the unforgiving nature of space and the need for careful planning and preparation. First and foremost, Mars is characterized by harsh environmental conditions that pose significant obstacles. The planet's thin atmosphere, with only about 1% of Earth's pressure, means there is no breathable air on Mars. The extreme cold, with temperatures averaging around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 62 degrees Celsius, is another hurdle. Additionally, Mars is bombarded by harmful cosmic and solar radiation due to its thin atmosphere and lack of a protective magnetic field. These environmental factors are detrimental to human health and present formidable challenges for both robotic missions and future human colonization. Developing technology to shield against radiation and maintain suitable living conditions is a critical priority. The journey to Mars itself presents a substantial challenge. With current technology, it takes several months to travel from Earth to Mars. During this long journey, astronauts must contend with the psychological challenges of isolation and confinement, which can have profound effects on mental health. Maintaining physical health and fitness over such an extended duration is also a concern. NASA and other space agencies are actively researching countermeasures to address these challenges, including advanced propulsion systems for faster travel and strategies to support astronauts' psychological well-being. Technological hurdles represent another major obstacle in Mars exploration. Developing the necessary technology for safe and sustainable exploration and potential colonization is an intricate and ongoing task. This includes advanced propulsion systems to reduce travel time, life support systems to provide astronauts with breathable air and clean water, radiation shielding to protect against harmful cosmic rays, and efficient resource utilization techniques for sustaining life on Mars. Innovations in 3D printing, in situ resource utilization, ISRU, and robotics are essential components of addressing these technological challenges. Cost and funding are perennial concerns in Mars exploration. Missions to Mars are complex and costly endeavors that require substantial financial resources. Securing long-term funding for sustained exploration and colonization efforts is a constant challenge. Governments, private companies, and international collaborations all play roles in financing these ambitious missions. Competition for funding often involves difficult choices, as Mars exploration competes with other scientific and societal priorities. Finally, ethical considerations play a significant role in Mars exploration. The potential for contamination, both from Earth to Mars and vice versa, raises concerns about preserving the pristine nature of Mars and avoiding the introduction of extraterrestrial pathogens. Strict planetary protection protocols are in place to minimize the risk of biological contamination. The balance between scientific exploration and environmental protection is a delicate one and requires ongoing vigilance. We'd love to know what you think. Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We thank you for watching.